algebra problem. We have the equation 3x minus 7 divided by 8 is equal to 2x plus 5 divided by 6. To solve this algebra problem step by step, we begin with step 1. Eliminate the denominators. Here the denominators are 8 and 6. To remove them, we need to find the least common multiple of 8 and 6. So, we will first find the least common multiple LCM of 8 and 6. Step A. Prime factorization of each number. 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. 6 is equal to 2 to the power of 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 1. Step B. Take the highest power of each prime. The highest power of 2 is 2 to the power of 3. The highest power of 3 is 3 to the power of 1. Now multiply them together. LCM equals 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 1, which is 8 multiplied by 3, which equals 24. So the LCM is 24. Now we multiply both sides of the equation by 24. So we have 24 times the expression 3x minus 7 divided by 8 is equal to 24 times the expression 2x plus 5 divided by 6. Since 8 multiplied by 3 equals 24, the left side becomes 3 times the expression 3x minus 7. And since 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24, the right side becomes 4 times the expression 2x plus 5. Step 2. Distribute the terms. On the left side, 3 multiplied by 3x gives 9x. 3 multiplied by negative 7 gives negative 21. On the right side, 4 multiplied by 2x gives 8x. 4 multiplied by 5 gives positive 20. So the equation becomes 9x minus 21 is equal to 8x plus 20. Step 3. Isolate the variable. Subtract 8x from both sides. So we have 9x minus 8x minus 21 is equal to 8x minus 8x plus 20. 9x minus 8x becomes x, and 8x minus 8x becomes 0. So now the equation is x minus 21 is equal to 20. Step 4. Solve for x. Add 21 to both sides. So we have x minus 21 plus 21 is equal to 20 plus 21. Negative 21 plus 21 becomes 0. So x is equal to 20 plus 21, which is 41. Therefore, x is equal to 41. Verify the solution. To verify, we substitute x equal to 41 back into the original equation. On the left side, 3 times 41 minus 7 divided by 8. When we simplified, this gives 14.5. On the right side, 2 times 41 plus 5 divided by 6. When simplified, this also gives 14.5. Since both sides give the same value, our solution x equal to 41 is correct. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more math lessons, make sure to like and subscribe.